emojis.
Kane's bugging me.
All right, glad you came out. So something was on my mind. It kind of bugged me, right? You know, you go to your restaurants, your favorite restaurants, or a household favorite restaurant, and they have sauces that you like. A lot of them, you can go to the store, Walmart, you know, your local grocers, and you can get those sauces. Taco Bell, you know, Chick-fil-A, you can get those. However, Raising Cane's, you can't. Okay? Now, you can go to Raising Cane's. They give you a little sauce here, right? And they say, well, if you want extra sauce, it's going to depend on the franchise. They may give it to you for free, but on average, it's about 45 cents. Some of them say it's $1.25, right? However, if you go in there and you order, say, look, give me a cup of it, they will put it in this guy. And it'll be about $5, maybe a little less than $5. And you get all of that. So, but do you want to run to there every time you want some of that sauce? I don't. I don't. So I made my own. Okay, I modified it. Right, it's real simple. You can get this, make this, and then tweak it to your taste, and you're going to be good to go. Right? I'm going to show you how it. Well, if you saw a thumbnail, you saw what I'm making. Right? If you follow me on Instagram, you also already know what I'm going to show you. But this is mine. This is my plate. I have my shrimp here. It works good on seafood. Dip my sauce. Take a bite. My mouth's already watering. Crunchy tempura shrimp. The sauce. Oh man. If you make this sauce, it'll hold for about 2 weeks in the refrigerator, right? Or you can freeze it for up to 3 months. So watch the video. Hope you enjoy it. Because I know I am. Watch what I do.
Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard.
Okay, this is real simple. So the ingredient list is short, as you can see. What you're gonna need is about roughly a quarter of a cup. If you like ketchup, go for a third of a cup. But a quarter of a cup ketchup, half a cup of mayonnaise, right? Got about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. There you go. We have 2 teaspoons of, I'm using granulated garlic, but you could use garlic powder. You could even use garlic salt if you're really, in a pinch. Here I have a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. I like to rock with the kosher salt. And I have a teaspoon of black pepper. Yeah, it's just that simple. Now let's get this combined. The first thing we're going to do is add our mayo. And I'm using a spatula so I can get as much of the mayo out as I can. Now we add our ketchup. All the ketchup goes in. And our salt in. Our garlic. Pepper. Nice. Our Worcestershire sauce in. Okay. Now we want to take a whisk and get this mixed all up. Make sure it's incorporated well. All right. Nice and mixed in. There you go. Grab some tasty chopsticks here. And taste. All right. Now, we're going to put this in a jar, and this needs to go in the refrigerator for at least an hour before you use it. Just get this in the jar. Another good reason to use spatula. Okay. Top on, in the refrigerator this goes. Now, this is going in the refrigerator. Like I said, I'm going to put it in at least for an hour, right? So all the flavors can join and get well married together. Now, are there any substitutions you can make? Oh, absolutely. You could add lemon juice to this if you want. Gives it like a little extra zing. Instead of Worcester sauce, you can throw A1 sauce in it. You know, the same amount. But the main thing to remember is the amount, the ratio of mayo to ketchup. So the mayo, you want the ketchup should be about half of the volume of the mayonnaise, right? So if you're using half a cup of mayonnaise, you want to use quarter cup of ketchup. Same thing, if you use a cup of mayo, you want to use a half a cup of ketchup. Okay, so keep that in mind. So after this sits here for an hour, we're going to do another little taste test, and we're going to see. Now, this is very close to what Cane's is offering, but everybody's palate is different, right? So I have to modify mine a bit. So mine doesn't have quite as much pepper as the cane sauce has in it, because you know the peanut gallery. Anyway, but make it yours. This is just a good base, right? To get you as close as you can to Cane's without having to drive all the way to Cane's. Okay? So I'll see you in about an hour or so. Okay, so the sauce has been in the refrigerator for over an hour. Okay, now it's time to plate up. So this is what we have. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and plate up. I'm gonna make my plate so you can see how I eat it. Right, good to go. And then I'm gonna show you how I have to make Mama Shaw's plate. Big difference. Trust me, big difference. Watch. All right, so I'm gonna build mine. Got a spoon here. Sauce. Into our sauce container here for dipping. All right. There we go. Now let me grab some shrimp. Right? Just really modest. Really modest. Okay. Really modest. All right. Let's see what we got. Let me get this going. Mama Shaw's. We gotta have some rice. All right. Rice. Gotta get our shrimp. your shrimp. Gotta make it look good, or she won't eat it. Put the green onions on it. All right. And a sauce. Then there's another sauce. On to hook her up with. You get some of that sauce. So here we have it. There's our sauce. It's a modified cane sauce. This can go on sandwiches, burgers, right? Dip your fries in it. Anything you fry, anything you deep fry will go with it. Seafood works excellent. Chicken, excellent, right? You could even use this as a little minor steak sauce if you want. But you see how Mama Straw likes it? It has to be pretty or she won't touch it. But this is what we got. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, hey, hit that subscribe button. Join the peanut gallery. You know, our arms are open and we'll leave the light on for you so you can find us even in the dark. Also, share me out if you can. It helps us out a lot. If we're not connected on Instagram, go to Instagram, put my name in, Shrashira. Look for the gray cat, and let's connect. That being said, let me get this to Mama Shaw. She just got home from work. I know she's gonna enjoy this. Got a little rice there, shrimp, 2 different sauces. Now the other sauce is just a soy sauce base. But the first sauce that you see here on the left, that is the modified cane sauce, the sandwich spread. Hope you enjoy it. Have a good day, and thanks for watching.